Hello children, in expansions today we will see the expansion of a plus or minus b cube. Okay, first one I will show you a plus b the whole cube, which you need to remember as formula. You can obtain it by multiplying a plus b to itself how many times? 3 times. We are directly going to the formula. The formula comes as a cube plus 3 a square b, remember first term square into second term, plus 3 ab square, again observe first term and now the square of the second term, plus b cube. Okay, at every place you will see that the degree of each term over here is 3 because it's a cubic expansion. So this is one way, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, you can put the apple and banana so that easily you will understand over here. Then this formula can be made short as well, because you are learning that sometimes we don't only have to expand it, we may require to find the value of ab or a cube plus b cube etc. also. So there what you can do is a cube. Now look at this, 3a square b plus 3ab square. What is common here? 3ab, right? So take 3ab common. 3a square b. If 3ab is taken common, what left there is a. 3ab square. After taking 3ab common, what left there? b. Plus b cube, right? This is how we get it. Then you can also remember it as a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b. So finally you get the formula. You can, if a plus b and one of these is given, you can find the value of only ab or a cube plus b cube. So it depends that what the question is asking, accordingly we shall be using the formula. Okay, second formula, a minus b the whole cube. Now here the first and the second term mentioning is very important, because the second term is to be subtracted. Here all signs are positive, so it does not make much difference, but here definitely it will make a difference, so learn it correctly. A cube minus 3 first term square second term plus 3 first term second term square and again minus second term cube. Okay, you can remember, if you are going to remember it a square b ab square, then you can remember for the alternatively the signs are different. Then here also you can make it short, right? A cube, again what can be taken common here is minus 3ab. So if you take minus 3ab common, what left here is a, and since minus is taken common, what it will be? Minus b cube. So this is the other way you can remember how it will be, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab bracket a minus b. This is your a minus b the whole cube formula. So these two formulae are to be learned by heart in both the ways. Now let's see our questions to expand. Correct substitution only is very important here. First question I will take, for example, 2a plus 3b the whole cube. So you need to identify the formula here. What is the formula? A plus b the whole cube. So write the formula here first. A plus b the whole cube, that is what? A cube plus expansion, so I will use the first way, 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Therefore 2a plus 3b the whole cube. For your understanding, again I will show it in this way. First term cube plus 3 first term square into second term plus 3 first term as it is, second term square plus second term cube. Okay, what is the first term? 2a, so 2a square. Second term is 3b, 2a, 3b, and this is 3b cube. Okay, expand it now. 2a cube, now cube, it is many children the square sometimes. So 2's cube is what? 8. A's cube is a cube plus, I suggest take here one more step and simplify. Do not jump to the conclusion. So what I will write here again? 3 into, here it is a square, so it will be what? 4a square into 3b plus 3 into 2a into 3b square will be what? 9b square plus 3b's cube will be what? 27b raised to 3. Now simplify. 8a cube. Okay, 3 4s are 12, 12 3s are 36. 36 a square b. One term also if is missing, your solution is wrong. 3 2s are 6, 6 9s are 54. A b square plus 27b cube. Now this is in the most, further simplification is not possible here, so we stop here. This is our answer. Look at this question. Now some negative I'll take. 5a minus 3b the whole cube. So what formula you are applying here? A minus b the whole cube. What is a minus b the whole cube formula? Try to say it with me. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So 5a minus 3b the whole cube will be what? 5a cube minus 3 into 5a square into 3b. See, I am not taking here 3b with negative n because already in the formula minus sign is being mentioned. So our first term we are taking as 5a and second term we are taking as 3b only. Okay, plus 3 into 5a into 3b square minus again 3b cube. So 5's cube 125 a cube minus 3 into 5a square will be what? 25a square into 3b plus 3 into 5a into 3 square what? 9b square minus 27b raised to 3. 125 a cube, right? Now this is 3 3s are 9 and 25 9s are what? That is minus 225 a square b plus 5 3s are 15, right? 15 9s are what? 135 ab square minus 27 b square. Simplified. So how do we apply the formula and how do we learn it and what precautions are to be taken in terms of signs, especially in a minus b cube, a minus b the whole cube formula, I think is clear to you. Okay. Now see the question. A plus b is given 6. Okay. AB is equal to 8. And you need to find the value of a cube plus b cube. Quite direct application, isn't it? So the second format of the formula, why I have taught you? Because very easily these values can be found. So which formula we will use here? A plus b the whole cube only, but in the second form we will use, where we have taken a plus b common there. Na? So a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b. So a plus b's value is given, ab is given. Directly a cube plus b cube can be obtained. Only we have changed the way of writing the formula and we get it very quickly. Now a plus b, what is the value there? 6 cube is equal to a cube plus b cube, which is to be found, plus 3. ab is what? 8. A plus b is what? 6, right? Now 6 cube, you may be knowing that 6 cube is what? 216. Okay, some basic cubes and squares if you know, your work goes fast. Plus 3 6 are 18. In 18 it's about 144. So thus a cube plus b cube will be what? Simply 216 minus 144. So 6 minus 4, 2, and 21 minus 14 is what? 7. So a cube plus b cube, what is the value found here? 72. As simple. See the second example in this. A minus b is given 7. AB is equal to 30. And you need to find a cube minus b cube. Again, I am sure you have understood what formula is to be used here. A minus b the whole cube. That is what? A cube minus b cube minus 3ab bracket a minus b. Substitute the values. A minus b, that is 7, is equal to a cube minus b cube, that is what we have to find, minus 3. ab is what? 30. And a minus b is what? 7. So let's simplify it. 7's cube 343 equals a cube minus b cube, which is to be found, minus 3 3s are 9, 90, 9 7s are 63, so 630, right? Then you have to find a cube minus b cube. So 343 plus 630, that gives you a cube minus b cube. Add it, 379. 973 is the answer. Okay children, so today's class, one application I have taught you. Also I have taught you how to expand. Practice the expansion sums yourself. I have already told you that you use different names in place of a and b. That will help you to learn the formula in interesting way, permanent way. In the next class we shall go for the other application. Till that time, keep this work ready. Okay.